Hi, I'm Marcus and this is a market wrap-up for week number 11. On Monday, equities finished a very quiet session near the highs and the S&P 500 gained 0.3%, bringing the index within the 10 points of record closing highs. The major averages began the day with slim losses. The cautious early trade followed downbeat overseas action where investors responded to disappointing industrial production news out of France and a series of below consensus data points from China. The major averages finished Tuesday's session on a mixed note. The Dow registered a slightly higher close while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq ended in the red. The financial sector underperformed amid weakness in major bank names. Morgan Stanley lost 1.9% while the broader SPDR Financial Select Sector ETF XLF slipped 0.5%. Wednesday ended with slim gains and S&P 500 settled higher by 0.1%. The industrial sector outperformed as transportation-related stocks saw broad strength. The Dow Jones Transportation Average climbed 1.6% with 19 of 20 components registering gains. Airlines and truckers were among the index leaders as Alaska Air and J.B. Hunt settled with respective gains of 4.3% and 5.6%. On Thursday, the major averages ended with modest gains. The S&P 500 advanced 0.6% and settled within 3 points of a record close. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones Industrial Average registered its 10th consecutive gain. The energy sector saw broad strength and SPDR Energy Select Sector ETF XLE advanced 1.4% to end at its best level since July 2011. Equities slipped out of the gate on today's quadruple witching, providing additional volume at the start. The lower open was then followed by another slip when the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Survey was reported below expectations. For March, the preliminary survey fell to 71.8 from 77.6. After receiving the final economic data point of the day, the S&P 500 reversed and headed back towards yesterday's close.